Hello and namaskar everyone. How are you my dear kids? Hope you are happy and safe at your home. And today we are on this page. After completing this exercise, now we are on this exercise, right? But before starting, I want to tell you something. Okay, can you see? What is this? This is a bag, cloth bag. What is this? This is a cloth bag and it is made up of thick cloth. It is made up of thick clothes. And now can you see what is this? This is also one bag, but it is plastic bag. It is plastic bag. Now tell me, this cloth bag and this plastic bag, right? From this both, we should use this cloth bags. We should use this cloth bags. Why we should use this cloth bag? Because cloth bags we can use it again and again. But these plastic bags we use and throw, and it makes our earth polluted. It makes our soil polluted. Okay, and mostly cows eat these bags. So that is why we should use this cloth bag. Okay, and tell to your mother that when your mother, any member of your house go to the market, take this type of bag with them. Okay, and then keep things inside it. Okay, so we should use always cloth bags, right? So the lesson from my side. Okay, now let's start the M exercise. 5 children are holding flesh cards that show sense organs. 5 children are holding flesh cards. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children. They are holding. Look, these are 5 flesh cards. Okay, flesh cards of what? Sense organs. They are showing us different sense organs. Okay, let's see. Shivam has flesh card of nose. Monica has skin. Vivek has tongue. Babita has eyes. And Nitin has ears. So these 5 sense cards in their hands. Okay, let's check. Which child is holding a flesh card? That will help you know that. First, the sky is blue. If you want to see the sky is blue, what you will use? Which sense organ you will use? These. Yes, sky is blue. We will use our eyes. So, eyes flesh card is with Babita. We have to write the name of child. Which child is holding flesh card? Okay, so we will write the name of Babita. 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 Okay, now let's check the second one. The soup is salty. So which sense organ we use to taste the soup? Nose, skin, tongue, eye or ear? Yes, we will use our tongue. So the flesh card is with Vivek. It is with Vivek. 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 Number 3. The music is loud. Which sense organ we will use? Yes, ear. And ear flesh card is with Nitin. 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 Now next, the floor is rough. For this, see, which sense organ we will use? Yes, we will use our skin, and it is with Monica. What is the spelling of Monica? Monika. Now last one, the food is spoiled. Dirty smell. From spoiled food we get dirty smell. So we use our nose, and this flesh card is with Shivam. What is the spelling of Shivam? Shivam. Shivam. Are you done with this exercise? It is easy and interesting, right? Now let's start the next one. And again, very interesting exercise. So are you ready to solve it? Let's start. search name of 10 body parts in the given word grid. Okay, one is done for you. One is done for you. Which one is done for us? Chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Now we have to search another body parts from this grid, right? And I found here and I wrote the names here. You can you can take help from these words and try to search. Look kids, first you try to do it yourself and then after check this video. Okay, so first, fingers. Let's start. Where is fingers? Yes, it is here. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Then neck. N-E-C-K. Neck here. I found. Now head. H-E-A-D. Head. Now head. Oh, we are finding head, but we got toes. T-O-E-S. T-O-E-S, toes. It is here. Toes. Where is the head? H-E-A-D, head, H-E-A-D. Oh, we got foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Okay, but where is the head? Oh my god, we got the one more. K-and-E, knee. We get the knee, foot and knee. Now, next, where's the head? Head, H-E-A-D, head, H-E-A-D, hair. We got the hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Now, where is the head? E-Y-E-S, eyes. We got the eyes. Now, where is the head? But yes, it is here. Oh no, it is H-A-N-D, hand. We get hand here, H-A-N-D, hand. And what about head? Oh, we got nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Now one is missing. Let's try to search it. And. Anyone, can you guess where is it? Oh yes, I found it. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D. Okay, we found it. Okay, this was our word grid. Now, next. Now we are on the last exercise. So, are you ready to search? Again, in the word grid, find 9 names of living things. 9 names of living things, natural non-living things and man-made non-living things. I found it here. And I wrote the names here. You can take help from this my help box. Okay, this across and down. Okay, so let's try to search, but same as before checking my work, before seeing my answer, you have to do it yourself first and then after check my answers. So let's try to search. Oh, dog is natural living thing. Oh, can you see the ball? B-A-L-L, ball. It is man-made thing. Oh, same. B-A-L-L-O and balloon. It is also man-made thing. Man-made non-living thing. Can you see this B-O-O-K, book? B-O-O-K, book. We found dog, ball and balloon. Okay, what about book? Book is natural thing we found from nature? No, we get it from the shop and it is man-made non-living thing. And can you see this rock here? R-O-C-K, rock. R-O-C-K, rock. We found this rock. Okay, can you tell me what about rock? Natural thing or man-made thing? Yes, it is natural thing. But tell me, it is living or non-living thing? Rock is non-living thing. So natural but non-living things. Yes. Can you see this? It is honey. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. And what about honey? It is man-made thing or natural thing? Honey is man-made thing. Honey is man-made thing. Okay, what about this? Can you see? S-O-I-L, soil. It is also natural non-living thing. Natural Non-living thing. Can you see this chair? CHAIR, chair. Chair is man-made thing. Chair is man-made thing. I forgot to write here chair. CHAIR, chair. Okay. And now, oh yes, it is here. Ox, ox. Ox, ox. And what about ox? Ox is natural living thing. Natural living thing. Now next is. Where is the chick? CHICK, chick. Yes, it is here. Down. CHICK, chick. And what about chick? Chick is man-made or natural? It is natural living thing. Chick is natural living thing. And where is the next one? WOOD, wood. It is the last wood. WOOD, wood. It is also natural thing. So, did you enjoy this word grid? I hope you enjoyed. Okay. So my dear kids, I hope you enjoyed the term 1 revision, right? And what is the lesson of today? Today's lesson was, yes, always use cloth bags. Always use cloth bags and avoid plastic bags. Okay? And these are very, very bad for our environment, our nature. They spoil our nature, and these cloth bags we can use again and again. Okay? So keep it in mind, and hope you enjoyed. We have completed our term 1. Okay? Bye-bye everyone.